Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to trade on GBP/NZD asset in 1 hour time frame with the help of price action trading strategy. Now we will place a trend line from two lows of the market. Now we will place a trend line from two highs of the market and wait for market rejection on it to take profitable trades. As we can clearly see, we got triangle chart pattern. Now we will wait for a breakout to take profitable trade. As we can see, market break the triangle pattern, so it's a confirmation of sell trade. We will set stop loss at last high of the candle and risk to reward will 1:2. And we won the trade. Let's move forward to see market's next movement. As usual, we will draw our resistance zone to see market levels on this zone. As we can see, market is getting rejection from resistance area. It's a confirmation of sell trade. We will set stop loss at last high of the candle and risk to reward will 1:2. We won this trade too. We will draw support zone as well to take profitable trades. Again, we got a confirmation from our support area because market face rejection on it. We will take buy trade. We will set stop loss at support area and risk to reward will 1:2. We won this trade simply. Now we will draw a resistance area to see market movements on this level. We will draw a support area to see market's next movements. Market also got rejection from support zone 2. It's a confirmation of buy trade. We will set stop loss at support area and risk to reward will 1:2. We won this trade on this level. Market got rejection from resistance zone second time and a red candle formed. We will take sell trade. We set stop loss at last high of the candle and take profit 1:2. We won this trade too. I hope you all understand this strategy. If you have any doubts about this strategy, please do comment to let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.